Hello again. Well, today I'm going to make an ice cream float. So I have some pop here. I have an ice cream scoop and a teaspoon that's tall for the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the ice cream here. Now it's very important that you put the pop in first. And if you put the ice cream in first and you put the pop in, then it's just going to foam up and go over the top. So I'm going to put in about a half a can here. Take my ice cream scoop, put in the ice cream. Make sure you put the ice cream in close to the pop, that way it won't splash. And then you can add a little bit more on the top here, and you can see the foam's coming up. And if you want, if it foams up too much, just eat the foam. Anyway, so that's how you make an ice cream float. So you can use any kind of pop. You can use Coke, Pepsi, RC. Root beer is a great one for a root beer float. So you can use a lot of these things. Thank you very much.